Today, I'm gonna have a farming video. No. Okay, so we're gonna have a tour of my farm. This is my house. Let's go over to the cows. First, we have our cows. Dutton is the white one. Rowdy is the black and white one. Hi, Dutton. Next, we have our ducks. We have our ducks. We have our ducks. We have turkeys, chickens, same area. So we have those. Second of all, we have baby animals. Rosie, Rosie. We have Rosie, Rosie, Rosie. We have dogs. Second of all, we have baby ducks. No. No. Go. We have the most special kitties in the world. We have 3. We have ducks and baby chicks. And we have me. We have a beautiful ape stand. We have our plants, vegetables. So we have our tomatoes. Tomatoes and what's it called? Honeydew. Right here. We have, oh yeah, tomatoes. Here. Not ready to pick. Ready to pick. We have our beautiful plants, which are over there. We used to have some meat chickens, but then we butchered them. We're gonna have a video of how to butcher. We have fried reading made. That's our cow. We have my reading nook in the very back, which is the best. And we're going to see the best part, or the second best. Put in the comments if you like corn. Sorry guys, I'm doing my dad's job. Checking for eggs because our chickens get out and then they lay eggs in random spots. Oh my gosh, bro, I can't deal with this. We have rows of plants. We have, let me get the corn. Corn, somewhere back here. Yeah, there it is. We have corn back here. Oh yeah, this is our camper. Subscribe if you want me to do more farming videos. I'm just looking for ready corn. It's pretty tall. Oh, I don't think so. We have walking onion. Right here we have, what else? Ow. Oh yeah. Let me show you decorations because it's close to Halloween, and let me show you them. Ow! Subscribe if you want farming videos. Like if you want piano videos. What in the world is that? Do you see that? Bro, oh my god, bro. Porch. Beautiful yard. And this is what it looks like when I run down my yard. That was exhausting.